Hi friends, today we are going to discuss our second chapter, Working of a Computer. In this chapter, we will learn how to switch on or off a computer, to understand the desktop of a computer and opening a program. Let's study how to switch on and off a computer. Switch on a computer. Step 1. Switch on the power supply where the UPS was connected. Step 2. Switch on the power button of the UPS. The monitor and CPU were connected with the UPS. Step 3. Switch on the power button of the CPU. This is the largest button on the CPU. Step 4. Finally, switch on the monitor by pressing the power button on it. Now we can see an indicator light on the UPS, CPU and the monitor to show whether they are switched on or off. Now the computer was ready to use. Desktop. The home screen of Windows is called the desktop, or we can say the first screen which we see after switching on the computer is called the desktop. Desktop contains background picture, icons, start button and taskbar. Icons. Desktop contains a number of small pictures are called icons. For example, this PC, network, recycle bin, paint, etc. are some icons. To open an icon, just double click on it. For example, when you want to open paint, just double click on the paint icon, then the paint window will appear on your desktop. Taskbar. The thin bar shown on the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It is located on the desktop at the bottom part of the screen. Here you can see the taskbar. Start menu. Start menu is located in the lower left corner of the taskbar. When you click on the start button, a list of all programs will be displayed. Here you can open any program by clicking on it. Let's see how to open a program. If you want to open the Paint software, just type Paint in the search box, select the Paint option and a window will appear. Now it's ready to use. The components of the Paint window are title bar and control button. Title bar displays the name of the program. Control buttons are minimize, maximize, restore and close. Now let's see how to switch off a computer. Step 1. Click on the start button located on the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 2. Click on the power button on the start menu. Step 3. Click on the shutdown button from the list. Step 4. Switch off the power of the monitor. Step 5. Switch off the power button on the UPS. Step 6. Switch off the power button on the power supply switch. This is the way how to switch off a computer. Let's see the working of a computer. Input, processing, output are the three main steps in the working of a computer. Classification of computer parts. Friends, did you know what are input devices? The devices used to give commands and enter data into the computer are called input devices. We are giving commands or we are entering data into the computer, then we can say they are input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner, web camera, microphone, joystick, etc. are some of the input devices. Output devices. The devices which give out the result of a computer process are known as output devices. Monitor, speaker, printer, etc. are called output devices. Processing devices. CPU is the brain of a computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU processes the instructions given to the computer. It carries out all the calculations and logical operations. It stores data in different storage unit. The CPU controls the other parts of the computer. The input device accepts data, CPU processes it, and output devices gives out the result. This is the way that a computer works. Friends, that's all about this chapter. Thank you.